Hey guys, welcome back to Quarters Project. It's Abhay here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how do you find the nth term of a Fibonacci series using Python. So before I get started, let me give a quick brief of what a Fibonacci series is. So it's a mathematical series where the sum of the next term is going to be the sum of two preceding terms. So I'll tell the value of n. So for example, over here, as you can see, 0 plus 1 is going to be 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, and so on. So we're going to be finding the nth term of a Fibonacci series. So for that, we're going to be using the mathematical recurrence relation. So the recurrence relation is defined as f of n is equal to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2 with the seed values of 0 and 1. So let's get started. Now let's define a variable. Let me take it as integer x, and let's take the input from the user. Let me give the prompt as enter the term. Let's define a function. I'll define it as fib of x. So I've defined a function. Inside this function we're going to be specifying our calculations over here. So first we have to check if the input, whatever the user has specified, is lesser than 0 or negative values. Then we have to give an error message saying the user to give a positive value or greater than equal to or greater than 0 value. So if x is lesser than 0, we're going to be printing enter values greater than equal to 0. And now we're going to be checking if the value, the user specified value, is 0 or 1 or 2. So as you can see in the series, it starts from seed value 0 and next is going to be 1, and this is the series basically. So the first and second term is going to be 0 and 1, the third term is going to be 1. So if the user has specified the term as 1 and 2, the value should be 1 itself. If it's 0, the value should be 0. So let's add a elif statement over here. Elif x is equal to 0, we're going to be printing returning 0. If x is 1 or x equals 2, then we're going to be returning 1. Else, we're going to be using our else statement over here. Else we're going to be returning our mathematical relation. So we have to take it as fib of n minus x minus 1, since we have specified the term to be x, plus fib of x minus 2. So we have specified the relation over here, and now we have to call our driver program or call the function. So we're going to be printing fib of x. So yep, let's just run this. So as you can see, it says enter the term, so let's take it as 5. So the fifth term is 5. Let me just specify the Fibonacci series over here. So it starts from 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on till n. So the fifth term is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's 5. So this is how you get the nth term of Fibonacci series. Let me just rerun this. Let me specify a value around, let's take it as 20. So this is the 20th term of the Fibonacci series. So this is how you get the nth term of a Fibonacci series using Python. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment. And thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Click on the like button, subscribe, and see you later.